In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger, step by step, so you can stop a hosting plan, domain, VPS, or email service from renewing automatically. This is really useful if you want more control over your subscriptions, reduce unexpected charges, or simply decide whether you want to keep a service before the next billing cycle. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, go to your Hostinger hPanel and log in with the account that owns the subscription you want to manage. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account options where you'll find all of your billing-related settings. From the menu, select Billing and then click Subscriptions. This is where Hostinger lists every active service connected to your account. On the Subscriptions page, take a moment to find the exact service you want to update. This could be your hosting plan, your domain, a VPS, or even an email service. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have several subscriptions under the same account. Once you locate the service row, look for the toggle switch next to it. Click that switch to turn off auto-renewal for that specific subscription. After you click the toggle, Hostinger will show you a warning or confirmation screen. This is an important step because it explains what will happen when auto-renewal is turned off. You'll usually see the expiration date and details about what happens if the service is not renewed. Read this carefully so you understand the impact before continuing. If everything looks correct and you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your choice to complete the process. And that's it. Auto-renewal is now disabled for that Hostinger service. From this point on, the subscription will not renew automatically, which means you'll need to manually renew it later if you want to keep it active. If you change your mind in the future, you can always go back to the same subscriptions area and turn auto-renewal back on. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Hostinger tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.